Tata wanjye ntumbaze.
So I hear Whistler's bird book has details about what we need to steal.
Nanone ngo agatabo kandi kari karimo amakuru Whistler yari afite ngo karimo ibyo dukeneye kwiba.
You know who's got it, right?
None muzaho kari. Kumba gatabo ngaka hakuno. Niko benyenzi karimo byose ngo baheraho bashaka amakuru.
Please.
Yasila.
We'll die out here.
Kumba ya harido. Yagiye yigiza amagagari bamwibye baranamuhondagura. Ni T-bag. Bamutaye mu butayu. Hagati mu butayu.
Do we have any idea where T-bag is?
That's
Ese muzo T-bag ari ntago mbizi.
LA.
T-bag twatandukanye muri gereza ne wonyine twatuzukagiye nta kindi kintu tuzije gitandukiye kirenze.
act like him. If we do, we're done.
It goes without saying this is your last chance to back out, because first on the list of things I cannot guarantee you is your safety.
Avuga ati kwese ko turanga twumvikana basore banje rero. Tuzakoze ibyo tukasanga dushyize umutima hamwe. Ntago umutekano wanyu mwese wizewe. Simbabeshye.
We're all a long way from where this started.
Kwese tugiye kujya muri iyi nzira dutangire duhereye kuri zero tumenye byose ko byatangiye iyi company tuyikure mu muhanda.
Can guarantee you is that if we do this thing right, we'll be close to where it ends.
Gusa cyose cyane kimwe byose tubikoze neza twatumeze nko tugiye gusatira umutekano wacu n'imiryango yacu.
Freedom.
Ndetse tukaba tugiye kubona kwishira kwizana kwacu.
Finally. You too.
Mwembi.
Let's go.
Uze tugende basha.
Hey, Mike.
Mike.
What about Sarah?
Ese Sarah bimeze bite?
Sarah's in.
Sarah nabari kumwe natwe ari mu ikipe yacu. Abahanga bose bagiye kubahuriza hamwe mbabwiza ukuri Mahoni ni umuhanga, Bariki ni umuhanga, kiraho Sarah na Barozi. Nako nasuke nene umuhanga mu gace biringaniye. Na Michael Scofield nyirizina ikipe iraha sasa. Maka company bayivuganye. Baje kwa fund.
Things before we go. No games and no stunts.
Mbere ko byose mujya ko byose anga bagiye kwa mwakora tugiye kwanza tugire ngaho muri abantu batakizwe muri leta ya Amerika nta bibaranga nta byangombwa nta ki.
See a whole different side of me.
Ndetse bashe n'ahantu hatazwi ahantu hatekanye kubyo mvuga ko mwege ganukanya mufungiye ahantu h'umutekano wa FBI yonyine ibashize cyangwa Homeland Security.
Fake IDs.
Mbahe n'amaranga muntu ya fake yibiwani.
It's a good start.
Hantu basha kujya guhaha batazi nguhashene runaka.
But there's some things you can't fake.
Ariko nanone bwo byose wabifakinga cyangwa babigira wabibesha hari bimwe mutahishira.
Some things.
Urugero tatuwaje nk'iyi ngiyi nikoreye kuri ngewe ntabwo yamvaho.
Know what I mean?
Sio bivuze zengo haraho nta kwinjira kamenyense tatuwaje afitanga hari biro atatambuka muri abagiye kuneka bingana iki babona komeze nk'ari mayibobo. Buri hari ibintu umuntu yizaniye ugasanga ko warabyizaniye waciririye imuga izajye hori kuri mu bitugu.